o'clock, and that's the Atlanta rhythm section. You're listening to Bay Health. It's 19 past, I was going to say 4, I don't know why I said that, 19 past 11. We're with a Madonna guy, and we're talking about guys' health, because men are not like women. We'll go to the doctor lots of times,
Yes,
don't we?
absolutely.
And
not only that, but women are much more likely to keep going back when we haven't found a solution.
Yes, actually.
Yes.
We want answers for everything.
Yes.
So what happens is it's hard to get them there.
Yes.
And then I've been told that it's hard to get them to take the medicine that the doctor even recommends. So there's lots of, I've noticed this, there's lots of men's sheds there now.
Aren't they great?
They are great. The guys can go down. And do you know what? I always say this to my girlfriends who've got a new boyfriend. I say, when you ask him, what are you thinking? If he says no, nothing, he's telling the truth.
Exactly.
Because men, no offence, you be there. Wow,
they do have that box in their brain with nothing. It's amazing.
And they're honest.
I want to be like that.
But yes, yes. I can still remember the fight we had 17 years ago. So what is the next thing that they should do is join clubs. There's so many man sheds now, isn't there?
Yeah, so... Well, Rob, our acupuncturist, he goes to a men's meeting once a week.
Great.
So finding somewhere where you go, where you've got the ear of other men who understand what you're doing. Girls, let's face it, we don't understand the man's brain. We just don't.
No. And they don't understand us. So, truly, we did come. I think God was having a great job that day that he made men and women. So the first thing is, they should go at least once a year if they're over 50 for prostate cancer.
Yes.
They should go about once a year. I was just going to say to get their inoculations. Well, they're not dolls, Judy.
Full blood count and everything. And then always get it looked at, I believe. Yes, get the doctor to do their thing. What the doctors are doing in due diligence is making sure you're not at that spot where you need to be on medication for anything.
Yes.
So that's their role. They're checking the blood sugar, they're checking the cholesterol, they're checking...
Maybe get blood work, as you said, once a year.
Yeah, and then take it to your naturopath or someone trained to actually have a look at it from a health perspective. So doctors are looking for disease, naturopaths are looking for health.
Yes.
So they really are two different things.
So once the doctor says, I'm sorry, there's nothing bloody wrong with you, they pop over and see you, and before you know it, you can support them with their stress.
Exactly.
And
so for example, with the thyroid, on average, for people to get diagnosed with a thyroid, it often takes 7 to 9 years.
Wow.
Because it takes so long to get out of the range that is considered normal.
Bay FM, he's foreigner. Sorry,